Before we will start the tutorial, let me show you first my marks. I have an online store in Spreadshirt and Teespring known as Spring, where you can buy various apparels and drinkwares that most of them I design it myself. Link on my store are provided in the description below so you can check it out, and you can choose different products with different designs. You even have the options to choose which product you like most. If you want to see more products, you can scroll it down and click the load more for more interesting designs and exciting products. If you want to surprise your loved ones with gifts, this might be a good option. So guys, if you want to buy one of these products, it means a lot to me because it helps maintaining my channel. So thank you guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to my After Effects tutorial channel. This is Randy from Ran's Graphics, and today we will create this. Now let me start by creating a new composition. I want it 4K and I will name it logo. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second, 20 seconds duration, color black, click OK. Then open the assets, drop down this RGSS logo into the timeline. Press S on the keyboard for the scale. Change this to 50% depending on what logo size you want. Then go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it grunge. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second and 20 seconds duration, color is black, click OK. Then open the image, drop down this grunge texture into the timeline. Go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it logo matte. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second and 20 seconds duration, click OK. Then highlight this logo, drop it down into the timeline. Go to effects and preset, go to generate, go to fill. Change the color here to white, click OK. Then go to layer, layer styles, add inner glow. Then open inner glow, change the blend mode here to normal. Then the opacity is 90%. Change the color here to black. Then the choke is 9. Probably the size is 50. Then the range is 68.1. Then go to layer, new adjustment layer. Go to effects and preset, go to channel, add solid composite. Then change the color here to black. Then go to effects and preset, go to blur and sharpen, add fast box blur. Change the blur radius here to 1, iterations 1. Then go back to effects and preset, color correction, and add curves. Then change the curves like this. Then go to edit and duplicate it. Reset the curves too. Just drag this like this. Like that. Then go to your project panel. Drop down this grunge into the timeline. Go to effects and preset. Go to channel, set matte. Take matte from layer to logo. And for now, I will disable this one. Go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it fire comp. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second, click OK. Then go to your project panel, open the footage, drop this fire comp into the timeline. Now go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it fire. 3840 by 2160, click OK. Now go to your project panel and highlight this fire comp. Drop it down into the timeline. Duplicate it. Make sure that this one is highlighted. Go to your effect and go to stylize CC glass. Open the surface. Make sure that this bump map is fire comp. Change the softness to 130. The height probably negative 100. Displacement is negative 500. Then go to effect again. Go to distort and turbulent displays. Change the amount here to 30, maybe 33. Then the size is 185. Then the evolution, change this to probably 6.7. Then I'll click this stopwatch on the revolution to create an expression. Then I will type time times 100. Then go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it particles. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second, click OK. Then go to your project panel, drop down this particle footage into the timeline. Go to composition settings, change this 20 seconds to 12. Then click OK. Go back to fire, then drop these particles down into the timeline. Then go to layer, create a new adjustment layer. Go to effect, go to stylize, choose this glow. Make the glow threshold to 60, glow radius to 17, glow intensity 1, go to edit and duplicate it. Now you can change the glow threshold here to 14.1, glow radius here to 956. Now go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it HDR. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second, and I will change this to 20 seconds. Then click OK. Go to your project panel, drop down the HDR image into the timeline. Scale it up just enough to fit the canvas. Then go to effect, go to stylize motion tile. Make sure that your playhead is at the beginning. Create a keyframe on the tile center by clicking this stopwatch. Then move your playhead to about 8 seconds. Then change the horizontal here to probably 2002. Then change the tile width here to 50. And again the tile height is 50. I will just go back to the beginning of my timeline. Make sure this one is highlighted. Go to effect, color correction, hue and saturation. Then I want this motion tile behind the hue and saturation. Then I will change the master hue here to 180. Then make sure this one is highlighted. Go to effects and preset. Go to color correction again, tint. Go to composition, create a new composition. I will name it main. Same 4K, 30 frames per second, 20 seconds duration. Click OK. Go to my project panel. Then I will drop down this grunge comp into the timeline. I will disable the visibility on it. I will drop down the logo matte into the timeline. Should be above the grunge and disable the visibility on it. Go to HDR, highlight it, tap it down into the timeline above the logo matte and disable the visibility. Go to the project panel, highlight this logo, drop it down into the timeline. Press D on the keyboard for the opacity. Move forward your playhead to about 3.28. Make the opacity here to 0. Then check the stopwatch in here to create a keyframe. Then move forward your playhead to 5.12 seconds. Then change the opacity here to 100. Move again your playhead forward to 9 seconds. Make a keyframe by hitting this tiny diamond in here. Then move forward your playhead to about 10 and 16 seconds. Then change the opacity here to 4. Then I will highlight the logo and duplicate it. Press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes. Move your playhead at the beginning of the timeline. Change the opacity here to 5%. Highlight HDR. Go to edit, duplicate it. Then right click the mouse, rename it HDR bevel. I will change the blending mode here to hard light. Then enable the visibility. Go to effect, go to stylize, motion tile. Then make sure that your plate is at the beginning of the timeline. Make a keyframe on the tile center by hitting this stopwatch. Then move your playhead forward to 12.16 seconds. Change the tile center X position to 3485. Change the tile width here to 60. Tile height 60. Then go to effect, go to color correction, curves. Drag these curves like this. Make sure it's RGB. Go to effect, add stylize, CC glass. Open the surface. Change the bump map here to logo matte. Then change the softness here to 0. Height is 100. Displacement is 500. Scroll down. Open shading. Change the ambient light here to 100. Diffuse is 0. Specular 0. Roughness is 0.001. And the metal must be 0. Then highlight this CC glass. Go to edit and duplicate it. Open the surface and change the softness here to 1.4. Height is 100. And the displacement is 0. Scroll down. Open the light. Change the effect light to AE lights. Then open the shading. Change the ambient light here to 62. The diffuse is 62. Specular is 52. Roughness, change this to 0.025. Metal, change this to 100. Then go to effect, blur and sharpen, add compound blur. Then change the blur layer here to grunge. Check the invert blur. Then go to effect, go to channel, then add set matte. Take matte from layer, change this to logo like that. See, I will highlight this HDR bevel. Go to edit, duplicate it. Change the blending mode here to luminescent premule. Then go to motion tile, delete it. Then open the surface. Change the softness here to 1.4. Softness is 12. Then the displacement is 0. Open the light. Change the effect light to AE lights. Open the shading. Change the ambient light here to 62. Change the diffuse here to 62. Specular is 52. Roughness is 0.025. Metal is 100. Scroll down. Go to CC glass 2. Open the surface. Then delete this compound blur. Go to effect, blur and sharpen, CC radial blur. Then I will move this above the set matte. Change the type here to fading zoom. The amount is -8. Clear this set matte. Then I will go to effect, go to color correction, curves. Change the channel here from RGB to alpha. Move the alpha like this. Change the alpha to RGB. Then drag this RGB line like this. So as you can see that our logo here is not yet cut. All we have to do is to add channel set matte. Be sure that this HDR bevel 2 is highlighted. Go to effect, channel set matte. Then I want to move the set matte just above the CC glass 2. Change the take matte from layer to logo. So now it is cut, right? I will highlight this bevel too. I will just move it just below the first logo. Then I will highlight this HDR bevel, go to edit and duplicate it. I will change the blending mode here to add. Press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes. Then move your playhead to 10 and 16 seconds. Go to the tile center and change this X position on the tile center to 4032.4. Delete this keyframe. Then go to curves, then change the curves like this. Then scroll down and go to CC glass, open the surface, change the displacement here to 162, height change this to 3, then open the shading. I think we're good on it. Close it. Go to CC glass 2, open the surface, and I think this is also good. Then be sure to open the light and make the light an EE lights. Close it. Again, open the shading. Change the diffuse here to 0, specular 0. Roughness 0.001. Pull down. So we're okay here. Now go to layer, create a new light. I will change this to white color. I want it ambient light. Okay. Drag my playhead at the beginning of the timeline. Open the ambient light. Go to light options. Change the intensity here to -268. Make a keyframe on the intensity by clicking this stopwatch. Move your playhead to about 4.03 seconds. Change the opacity here to 35. Then move your playhead to about 10.16 seconds. Need the tiny diamond in here to create a keyframe. Then move your playhead to 12.16 seconds. Change the opacity here to -75. Then highlight the ambient light. Go to edit and duplicate it. Press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes. Move your playhead at the beginning of the timeline. Change the opacity here to -75. Then move your playhead to about 13.14 seconds. Move this keyframe on that seconds. Go to layer again. Create new light. I want it point light. And the color is white. And I will change the intensity here to 65. Click OK. Then I will highlight this point light. Go to edit and duplicate it. Open the point light. Go to light options. Then change the color here to red. Code here F4 to B19. Click OK. Then I will change the intensity here to 186. Highlight this main. I will name it Magmatic Logo Comp. Then I will go to composition, create a new composition. Name it main. 340 by 2160, 30 frames per second, and the duration is 20 seconds. Click OK. Then drop down this Magmatic Logo Comp into the timeline. Then this logo comp, drop it down into the timeline. Then move your playhead to about 10.01 seconds. Highlight this Magmatic Logo comp. Press T on the keyboard for the opacity. Hit a stopwatch in here to create a keyframe on the opacity. Then move your playhead forward to about maybe 15.29 seconds. Then change the opacity here to 0. Then highlight the logo. Move your playhead back to 4.04 seconds. Then press T on the keyboard for the opacity. Hit the stopwatch in here to create a keyframe on the opacity. Then move your playhead to about 16 seconds. Then create a keyframe by hitting this tiny diamond in here. Then move your playhead forward to about 19 seconds. Then change the opacity here to 0. Then go to composition. Create a new composition. I will name it final. 340 by 2160, 30 frames per second, 20 seconds duration. Click OK. Highlight this steel and clear it. Then go to your file and import file. Go to your file. Go to your assets. Go to image, open it up. Import this BG. Then I will drop it down. See? Then I will drop down the Magmatic Logo comp into the timeline. Go to the project panel and drop it down. This fire into the timeline. Go back again to the project panel and highlight these particles. Drop it down into the timeline. Then highlight this fire composition. So I will make these compositions a 3D layer. Then move your playhead to about 10 seconds. Press the keyboard T for the opacity. Click the stop button here to create a keyframe on the opacity. Move your playhead forward to about 14.01. Then change the opacity here to 0. Highlight the particles. Move your playhead back to the 10 seconds duration. Press the keyboard T for the opacity. Click the stop button here to create a keyframe on the opacity. Then move forward your playhead to about 14.01. Then change the opacity here to 0. It's now render this. If you want this logo smaller, all you have to do is to highlight this magma comp, press on your keyboard for the scale, then change this to 50% or maybe 60, like that. Fire comp, press on your keyboard for the scale, probably make it 62. And you see here, all you have to do is to press P for the position and bring it down. Then also the particles, if you want to make it smaller, all you have to do is to press S on the keyboard, then change this to 60%. Highlight again this particle, press P on the keyboard for the position, then bring it down. Let's render this. If you want this to be as in gone, all you have to do is to create a new composition, and I will name it render. 3840 by 2160, 30 frames per second, 20 seconds duration. Click OK. Then open the comp. Then drop down this final into the timeline. Then move your playhead probably 17. Press T on your keyboard for the opacity. Make a keyframe by hitting the stop button on the opacity. And move forward to 19 seconds. Change the opacity here to 0, like that. When you render this, there you go. So we're done with our tutorial, and I hope that you guys like this video. I will see you on my next tutorial. Thanks, and be creative, okay?